Hello guys, thanks for jumping back into my channel. This is MindYourCrypto. My name is Bill and today we are going to make a technical analysis and a price prediction for NuCypher. I know you guys have a lot of questions about this coin. I know you guys have bought at the top, but you should be patient. If you like the content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button and share. Thank you a lot, and let's proceed quickly to our Fibonacci retracement here. Okay, so you can take Fibonacci retracement from a high to low or whatever points you want. The main key here is to draw a Fibonacci retracement level that will show you proper support and resistance levels. Okay, so I took the Fibonacci level from here, not from the top here, and what I did is draw the Fibonacci level down to the bottom. You can see here, guys. So the Fibonacci levels here shows us the retracement. It means how much of the percentage the price has gone down. And these are percentages, guys. 0.786 is nothing more than 78.6%. 0.618 is nothing more than 61.8%. So that's how you do it. And you take support and resistance levels. And what I like about Fibonacci retracement levels is based on your technical skills. Okay, Fibonacci retracements can be very useful and it can be very damn hard to use as well. So here we got these Fibonacci retracements. You can see here the blue line 0.50% is in the middle. And now what we are seeing here that I didn't like from the start when I made the first video about NuCypher, sorry guys, is that we went down to new Fibonacci retracement levels, down again, testing some new support and resistance levels, then going back again. You can see here Fibonacci retracements are not always exactly right. So maybe here we had to draw this line over here, this support line as well. Let me draw in, guys. We had to draw this one here. So we might want, as a technical analysis, to draw more lines than the Fibonacci retracement itself. Right now, we sit at 0.382 Fibonacci retracement. And what I have here as a positive effect for Nu is that we went up to 0.5 again. We moved up, and I want for Nu to maintain this support level at 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. Okay. I don't say that things are looking extremely good for Nu. I'm just saying that we might have some positive moments. But of course, if you have bought here, guys, I always suggest you to wait. Never trade a loss. Never sell a loss. Because if you sell a loss, you are at risk of losing more money. What you want to do as a strategy is always to buy when you are here and you want to buy, for example, and you expect the coin to go up. Buy some, not do all your money, not to serve all your money. Buy some with little money here and buy some more with more money here and put more money in here and more money in here. Then you will realize you have a 100% profit strategy, because right now what you want to do is buying and putting little money here, less money here, more money in this Fibonacci retracement level, for example, more money here and more money here as well. So then if it goes upwards, you will have profits. Sometime it will go upwards, okay? And if the technology and the project is good, of course we expect it to go upwards again. But right now, I want to show you that we are in this Fibonacci retracement level and I don't want to see NuCypher going down. So let's go to the MACD, guys, and I've painted here, I've drawn here the close. I want to tell them close because they look like that and it is for fun, okay, but I want to see the blue line, the MACD, going above and remaining this level from the signal line, from the orange line as well. So what I want to see here is the blue level, the MACD, remaining above, because we are then in a bullish situation. We will go in a bullish situation, and I don't want to see the signal line going above the blue line, the MACD, as well. As you can see here all the time, guys, the orange line here was above the blue line. And of course, that's why we had this downtrend. However, this point here, I liked it a lot, but it has to remain like this, of course. Okay, so let's go to NU against USD in the daily frame to see the relative strength index and the commodity channel index. As I've told you many times, guys, I don't want to have one index and to check one index out of those two. I want to check both of the indexes, because when both are above the signal line here, above the 100 and above the 70 for the RSI, this means we have a very high risk. That's why here we were upwards. You can see here we had a very high risk for NU. Okay, so here I would sell my profits if I were you, of course. If I hold any NU, I would sell the profits here. It's better to take profits than waiting for the right moment and sell here. No one sells here in particular. Even if you are calculating perfectly the timing, you might sell here. Okay, so it's better always to take profits than risking yourself getting 50%, for example, upwards in the price and risking yourself having this correction and then waiting. What I like here about the RSI and the CCI is when both of these indexes are above the levels, we have an overbought situation and we have a very high risk. But when CCI is down here, only CCI, this might indicate we are in an oversold situation for the very short term. That's why here we had this upward trend. I like to take into consideration both of the indexes as well though, guys. Here you can see that CCI is reaching the top, and it was like a resistance level for the commodity channel index. Of course, there are resistance level for the relative strength index and the commodity channel indexes as well. So here we can see it going a bit down and the RSI moving sideways going a bit down. I don't know what will be the case here, but I want to see in the next hours and days what NuCypher will do with the RSI and the commodity channel index. Right now we don't have any oversold situation or any overbought situation. We don't have any buying opportunity like here, guys. For the daily frame here we had the buying opportunity and you can see why it went upwards. Okay, so we don't have any particular buying opportunity with the RSI and the CCI, but I always love to check those indexes as well. So let's go to the Bollinger Bands, and I want to show you here something very useful. Here we connect the tops, and you can see here this is our resistance line. I expect if we go above this line here, this resistance line, then it means we will have better days for NuCypher. Okay, I expect NuCypher to go like this, but right now it is not likely the main scenario here, and this support level could easily go from the bottom, connecting the bottoms and going downwards. But we will see right now in the near future if NuCypher can maintain this support level will be pretty good. The Bollinger Bands always shows us the risk. Okay, so right now that's why we had this huge high risk. The higher the volatility, the higher the risk. Of course, cryptocurrency market has a very high risk in itself. That's why I prefer the mid-term and the long-term for the cryptocurrency market. I prefer to hodl crypto, and when I think I have a buying opportunity, hodl and have a profit target. You always want to have a profit target as well, guys. It is very important for you and for all you do. Okay, so right now what I want to see is the Bollinger Bands here going in, making a squeeze point, a very much squeeze point like here, and then if we can retest some support and resistance levels, then we can buy as well. So let's go now to the NuCypher against Bitcoin. I've got a pretty huge X here. What I don't want to see is the exactly pattern here. The 50-day EMA going above the 20-day EMA and the 30-day EMA. I don't want to see these guys again. Okay, so what I want right now is to have this one here and the 50-day EMA going beyond the 30-day EMA and the 20-day EMA remaining strong. Okay, I don't want to see the 50-day EMA going above again, remaining this line here, because this is a very bearish scenario, okay, when we have that. We are in NuCypher against Bitcoin in the 4-hourly frame, of course. And the reason I am a little bit afraid of the very short term, I don't say for the long term, guys, of course, but in the short term, we are making some kind of new higher lows, okay, new lower lows, new lower highs, for example. But here, what I want to see here is maintaining these new lower highs, higher lows, okay. I always get confused about that, I'm sorry guys, but I want to see, you can get the main point, okay, I want to see new higher lows, okay, new higher lows starting from here, new higher lows, making this as a low, making this previously resistance level as the new support level for the NuCypher against Bitcoin. I don't want to see it moving like this way. For example, here, if we connect the bottoms, you can see here that we are heading to new higher lows, but here we got new lower highs as well, okay, if we connect the bottom. So we want to see going into this moment and then going above, breaking above the Bitcoin. Right now we are in a level that we are heading downwards and downwards as well. From starting here, from the February, we are heading a bit downward and down all the time. So we need to be patient and never panic. Always put a big smile, have a positivity, and we will see better days coming, guys. But for now, let's see how NuCypher will react to this trend line here and this trend line connecting the tops. Let me do it, for example, like this. I want to see it red so you can check that this is the resistance level. I always paint blue the support levels and red the resistance level as well. So let's go here to new against Bitcoin in the daily frame. What I didn't like here is the exactly point I was talking about in the 4-hourly frame. I didn't like the 50-day EMA went above 30-day and 20-day EMA. Of course, when it does that, we have some bearish situation here. I want for NU to remain to contain this support level over here, guys, okay. I want this support level to be our support level and not go beyond, even beyond this, because in the daily frame we are seeing lower lows as well and lower highs. In the 4-hour frame though, I want to see higher lows, okay. So right now, let's be patient and see how NuCypher will do. I know a lot of you guys want to know what will happen with NuCypher. But right now, let's see NU against USD in the 4-hour frame as well. What I didn't like here in the previous days was forming these lower highs and lower lows and lower highs. But however, I want to see now this one here, particular line, reaching better bottoms, higher lows, okay, higher lows. I want to see this doing something like this, higher lows. So if we do that, if we see that, then we will see a squeeze point where we can say that we might want to see a pump up afterwards, but we have to be patient. Cryptocurrency market is all about patience. That's why I emphasize in this word, and I need you guys to remember that you don't have to panic, because right now we can see like 30% corrections just one day. We have seen that multiple times and even more, okay. Especially when we have this huge pump up for NU, then it is always healthy for a coin to do somewhat a correction for the next month. So let's go to the NuCypher against the NuCypher's market cap, sorry guys, the NuCypher's market cap starting at $200 million, and the circulating supply is 350 million, okay, and the price sits at 0.61. So what you want to do is multiply the circulating supply with the price, and then you get the market cap. So the market cap is still low for the NuCypher. If you trust this coin and you want to wait, then wait, and I think better days will come for NuCypher as well. But right now, all we need to do is being patient. Okay, so here, according to the market cap and comparing the market cap to Bitcoins, I think this coin has a potential to grow in the future, but right now we shouldn't make any anything of saying like NuCypher will go upwards, will go downwards. Okay, we can't say that right now. All we need to do is testing these Fibonacci retracement levels, seeing the close going up. If we want to have a positivity, seeing the RSI going upwards again, and here making a squeeze point, or seeing going above this one here, this resistance line here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with more videos, guys, and bye!